What if I told you that you don't have to use this project diary anymore to submit your project update? So hello everyone, this is Hridyesh Gupta and I'm excited to tell you that I have built something exciting for you guys, UIT-MAP.
So first let's get to know what actually UIT-MAP is and how you are going to use it to submit your project update. So let's start by logging into your account first. Enter your unique ID and password in these fields. And if you have forgotten your password, click on this forgot your password button. After that, enter your email address there, and lastly, visit the URL sent to your email to reset your password. And now coming back to the point, after entering your credentials, you have to hit this login button to proceed into your account. After logging in, we are on this student dashboard, which shows your profile details. So from name to email, these are pre-filled and can't be edited. So just check your details here like roll number and email whether they are correct or not. And after that, let's personalize your profile by updating your profile picture. So for it, just click this update image button. Then choose a file of JPEG or PNG format. It should be under 1 MB. Okay. After choosing a file, adjust this crop box to frame your photo nicely. And after that, click this save and upload button. Now you can see that our file picture has been updated. But if you are not happy, you can change it again. This is a completely reversible process. Now let's update your academic info. So starting with 10th marks. So after updating your 10th marks in this field, move forward with your 12th marks and update it in this 12th marks field. And after that, for BTech, fill in your semester marks. So for it, input your obtained marks, maximum marks and CP for each semester. So start with semester 1 and fill up to that semester whose result is known to you. Let's take an example. If you are in 7th semester and you know only the result up to 6th semester, then fill only up to 6th semester fields. And lastly, hit the save button to store your academic info. Next, let's look at this guidelines page. So this page outlines the project process. So read it to understand submission rules and deadlines. After that, at the bottom, you will find the sample rubrics. So make sure to check it out as it shows how marks are split rubrics wise. So here we have group details page. This is where you will create your project group, add your team members and enter your project information. So let's go through this process step by step. So first you will need to add the members of your group. So start by clicking this add member button. A drop down will appear with a list of student roll numbers. Since you are creating the group, so begin by selecting your own roll number first. Okay. And after that, a form will pop up like this. In it, all the details except responsibility field like name, section and branch are pre-filled. So just fill in this responsibility field. For example, if you are working on front-end part in your team, so just write front-end here. And once your information is correct, click this lock member button to confirm your spot in the group. And as the group creator, you are automatically the group leader. So make sure to add yourself first. Now let's add your teammates. Click this add member button again. Select another student's roll number and again fill in the responsibility field and click log member. And again one member will be added to your group. Okay. So similarly, you can add up to 4 members in total, including yourself. Okay. So keep going until all your teammates are added and logged in. When all members are added, click this save details button. After that, a confirmation box will pop up. This is a big deal, and because once you click OK here, you can't change the group members later. So double check everything, then click OK. So one important instruction for you guys. So in UIT-MAP, whenever you see a confirmation box, it always means that the action is final and that particular info will not be changed later on if you click OK. So always review your details before clicking that OK button. in any confirmation box. Now as you can see, your group is created. You will see your name listed as the group leader here and the group creation date on this screen. Now let's add your project details further. So for it, scroll down to the project information section. In this section you will need to fill these details, starting with the project title. Then you need to enter a brief introduction of your project. After that, enter objective and problem statement in this field. After that, you have to list the technology used in short terms, like mention the language used or technology that you are using, like Python, Django, MySQL or something. And after that, in this field you need to mention the technology used in detail. So here you have to give a deeper explanation of how you will use these technologies in your project. Lastly, when you are done with all these things, click the Save Details button at the bottom here. After that, another confirmation box will appear warning you that this information can't be edited later. So make sure it's all correct, then click OK. After saving your project details, your group gets a unique group ID which will be visible here in this field. This ID tracks your group's progress throughout the project. Next, your group will be reviewed by the Department Evaluation Committee, and once they approve it, you will see the DC approval date mentioned here in this field and your assigned mentor's name in this field. Later, when your mentor approves your group, the mentor approval date will also be visible to you in this field. Now, when you have created your group, submitted your project details and also been assigned a mentor, it's time to track your progress with this weekly analysis feature. So here's the weekly analysis page where you will see sections for each week, starting with week 1. So in this text area, you have to enter a summary of what your team accomplished this week. Like for example, you can write, I have completed the project outline or started the front-end designing or something that you have done in that particular week. Okay. And once you're happy with your summary, click this Save button. After that, a confirmation box will pop up asking you to click OK. Again, this is very important because after saving, you can't edit this summary later. So keep this thing in mind and double check your word, then click OK. Now, you will notice some extra empty fields appear for week 1, like performance and evaluation date. So these fields will fill up once your mentor reviews your work. Also, a new section for week 2 will appear where you can add your next week's summary whenever it is ready. And as soon when your mentor reviews your week 1 summary, they will add remarks in the performance field. Based on your performance, it will either reflect satisfactory or not satisfactory. You will also see this submission date field which shows when you have submitted your summary of this particular week. After that, the evaluation date will show when your mentor reviewed your summary and added their feedback. Next, we have our rubrics review page. This is your go-to place to track your project's progress based on the rubrics set by the Department Evaluation Committee. Here you will only see rubrics with deadlines finalized by the Department Evaluation Committee. For example, rubrics R1 and R2 are only visible here because their last dates are set, while R3 to R8 are not visible because their deadlines are not yet finalized by the Department Evaluation Committee. So you will only see the rubrics you need to focus on right now. Basically, this last date field shows the deadline for presenting your progress for this particular rubrics. Like here for R1, it's 22 of April of 2025. So if you miss this, your presentation would not be counted, which could eventually lower your marks. Further, each rubric like R1 has 4 main fields. First is last date, which is the deadline as we saw previously. Second will be the examiner name present during your presentation. Third will be the status, that is after your presentation when your mentor will mark this as completed or not completed. And fourth and the last one is evaluation date. So basically this will show the date your mentor evaluated your presentation. And all these 4 fields apply to all rubrics from R1 to R8. Just R2 and R6 have few extra steps. Like for rubric R2, you will see 2 additional fields like upload presentation slides and this second one, upload report. Now let's see how you can upload your slides and report. So first, to submit your slides, click this choose file button, then select your file, and at last click on this submit button. After that, a confirmation box will pop up. Click OK here. And once you have uploaded your file, the choose file button changes to view upload slides or view upload report. Okay, so from here you can check your submission, and similarly you have to submit your report also. After that, the same process applies to rubric R6. So when its deadline will be set, it will be visible to you. It also have two options, to upload report and to upload slides. And as soon you upload these two files for a particular rubric, your mentor takes over. They will add the examiner name, update the status to completed, and also set the evaluation date when they review a presentation. So the main goal of this page is just to track your progress and to see which rubrics you have presented up to. You don't need to do anything else here except to upload slides and report for R2 and R6. Your mentor will handle the rest of the task. So now we have covered all the key pages in UIT-MAP, but before we wrap up, let's go over a couple of final details to help you out to navigate and submit your project. So in this top right corner, you will notice your name, showing that you are logged in. At last, in the navigation bar, you will see this logout button. So when you are done using this system, click this logout to securely end your session, as it keeps your account safe. And one more thing, if you have any feedback, want to report a bug, or have a suggestion for a new feature, there's a form for that. Check the description below for the link to fill it out. Your input helps us improve UIT-MAP, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts. Also, if you have enjoyed using this project, please show your support. Star us on our GitHub repository. Its link is also given in the description below. So go give it a star, as it motivates us to keep pushing our boundaries for you. That's all. You now know how to use every part of UIT-MAP, from student details page to rubrics review page. So keep up with your deadlines, and thanks for being part of this journey. Have a happy project work.
No more diary.
No more stress.
Just UIT-MAP.